Here's a completely different chart and market, but by now you should be able to recognize these familiar characteristics of the strongest portions of a trend on larger and smaller scales. If we just focus on the Bollinger Bands %B indicator during the clear downtrend at the beginning of this example, we look for closing prices to be on a clear decline while values of the indicator remain quite close to zero. Then with the recent pause of a moderate uptrend, we look for those classic signs of reaching newer highs with a row of steeper green candles, while %B maintains a clear presence around 100. With a gradual transition towards a shallow decline, there's still some residual bullish sentiment in the market, as seen with these near instant upswings upon nearing zero with a %B indicator, which is in contrast to when the downtrend begins to steepen during a period when the Bollinger Bands %B indicator mostly stays below 50 and has more consistent contact near zero, just like the characteristics of that stable and stronger downtrend at the beginning of this example.